Hi parents, welcome to IraParenting. Today I'm going to share with you 5 proven tips to get your infant to start talking. Speech development is a complex phenomenon. In any human, it depends upon the finest equilibrium and coordination between receptors in the brain and the speech apparatus such as tongue, lips, jaw, teeth, etc. Speech development involves understanding that different sounds have different meanings, the mechanism of their production and pronunciation. So before I jump into the tips, you should know why speech development is important. Speech development has been shown to be positively correlated with IQ, development of interpersonal skills, etc. well into later life and adulthood. My first tip for you is to engage in a dialogue with your child. Monologues don't help in speech development. Only dialogues and conversations do. In fact, research has indicated that child benefits more if there are more back and forths in the conversations. So have long conversations with lots of back and forths. Research has also shown that talkative families tend to have the right environment for speech development. Moving on to a second tip. In infancy, all children mispronounce words. If you understand what your infant has said, then nod positively and acknowledge that you have understood. But avoid the temptation to mispronounce the word just like the infant did. And remember to keep encouraging the child. Constant motivation and genuine praise will help in faster speech development. Third tip for you is to read books aloud. This is a great way to develop a host of skills that help in speech development, such as vocabulary, imagination, listening skills, etc. Even 15 minutes of daily book reading done over 3 months will show immense benefits. Reading books in infancy has also been connected with numerous lifelong benefits for the child. My next tip for you is to have lots and lots of pretend conversations. Many parents instinctively have pretend conversations with their child. They pretend the infant said something and then respond back and so on. If you are already doing this, please continue. It has been shown to aid speech development. You can incorporate questions and imagination seamlessly into these conversations. Encourage your child to speak up and articulate clearly and actively discourage non-speech utterances and sounds. My fifth and the last tip for you is to incorporate music and rhymes into your infant's activities and encourage the infant to sing along. Rhymes and songs are great fun and are also guaranteed to help in your infant's speech development. Like the tips? Then you will love IRA Speech Development Activity Box for infants.